Okay, good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, circle. Okay, we will start in last lecture uh, first question, second question and third question. Okay, we already solved first, second and third. Okay, this one is fourth question. Radius of a circle with center O. Radius of a circle with center O. Okay, with center O 41 units. Okay, radius is 41. The length of a chord is PQ is 80 units. Chord PQ is 80. Okay, then find the distance of a chord from the center of the circle. Find the distance of a chord. We have to find distance of a chord. That is OM. Okay, so let segment OM is perpendicular to PQ. OM you can see here easily. OM is perpendicular to PQ such that PMQ, PQ is 80 unit, PQ is 80, OP, okay, OP is 41 unit, P is a half of, PM is a half of PQ, here you can see PM is a half of PQ. PM is a half of PQ. Perpendicular draw from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. मतलब कि जो परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ होता है 0 to M एंड PQ, ये क्या करता है, कॉर्ड को भी बाइसेक्ट करता है. ठीक है. देन PQ इज अ हाफ ऑफ PM is a half of PQ. Then PM is equals to half of 80 because PQ is 80 centimeter here. So when we divide these two terms, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 0 as it is we will write here. So PM is equals to 40 units. Here you can see PM is equals to 40. Okay, so PM is 40 unit here we find. Then we have to put Pythagoras theorem in this diagram as we put in first, second or third. 3 of their question. Okay, we have to use Pythagoras. So here is 90 degrees. So hypotenuse side is this one. In opposite side of 90 degree, this one is hypotenuse side. So we have to write hypotenuse side in the first step. Okay, in right angle triangle OMP, okay, by Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equals to OM square plus PM square. Okay, where is the hypotenuse side? Hypotenuse side is OP. Okay, OP square plus OM square plus PM square. Okay, so here OP I know. OP, the value of OP is 41. OM we have to find here and PM is 40. Okay, then 41 square is 1681. OM as it is we will write, and 40 square is 1600. Okay, 1600. So OM and 1681 as it is we will write here. Then this one is in plus sign. When we change the side it will be comes into minus sign. Okay, so 1681 minus 1600, so the remaining part will be 81. Okay, so 81 when we put in a root, so it will be 9 because 9 nines are 81. So the distance from the chord, the question will be find the distance of a chord from the center of the circle. So the distance of a chord from the center is 9 centimeter. The distance of a chord from the center is 9 centimeter here. Okay, then fifth question, question number 5. In a figure, center of two circle is O. This one is one circle and this one is second circle. The center of circle is O. Chord AB of bigger circle intersect the smaller circle in point P and Q. ओके, कॉर्ड ए बी क्या कर रहा है, इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है कौन से पॉइंट पे, छोटे सर्कल को, किस पे, पी और क्यू पे. ओके, देन शो डैट ए पी इज इक्वल्स टू बी क्यू. वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट ए पी इज इक्वल्स टू बी क्यू. ओके, सो सॉल्यूशन, ड्रॉ सेगमेंट OM perpendicular to AB. We have to draw OM perpendicular to AB. Proof, what we have to prove? We have to prove with the respect of smaller circle. This one is smaller circle. Okay, segment OM is perpendicular to PQ. Segment OM is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, so PM is equal to MQ when we perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. Just because of this reason, PM and MQ is same. Okay, equal. Similarly, with the respect of large circle, OM is perpendicular to AB. In the first explanation, we write OM is perpendicular to PQ. But when we explain the larger circle, so OM is perpendicular to AB. Okay, OM is perpendicular to AB. OM is perpendicular to AB. So AM is equals to MB. जितना AM है उतना ही MB है. AM is equals to MB. But what we have to prove? AP is equals to BQ. AP is equals to BQ. But in what stage we are? AM is perpendicular to MB. So AM is equals to AP plus PM and MB is equals to BM plus BQ. Okay. AM is equals to AP plus PM and MB is equals to MQ plus BQ. Okay, just because of this, AP plus PM and MQ plus BQ. Okay, so AP is perpendicular to BQ from 2, 3 and 4. From 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this one is 5. So here we can prove AP is perpendicular to BQ. Okay, then this one is question number 6. Prove that if diameter of a circle bisect two chord. This one is diameter of a circle bisect two chord. Which chord? AB and CD. Okay, of the circle, then those chords are parallel to each other. We have to prove that these two chords, okay, AB and CD is parallel to each other. How we can prove? Okay, let's start. Given a circle with center O. This one is given a circle with center O. Then segment PQ is a diameter. Segment PQ is a diameter. Diameter PQ bisect chord AB. Diameter PQ bisect chord AB and chord CD. This one PQ is bisect AB and CD. Okay, ये क्या कर रहे हैं वो लोग को bisect कर रहे हैं. Then CD point M and N at point M and N respectively. M point और N point पे. Okay. Then to prove chord AB is parallel to CD. What we have to prove? AB is parallel to CD. Okay. So here proving we. M is the midpoint of chord AB. M is the midpoint of chord AB. Here you can clearly see here. M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB. So OM is perpendicular to AB. OM is perpendicular to AB because this one is perpendicular sign. As like that, N is the midpoint of CD. So ON is perpendicular to CD. Okay. So M is the midpoint of AB. So OM is perpendicular to AB. So the reason is the segment joining the center of the circle. ऐसा segment जो center को join करता है. And the midpoint of the circle is perpendicular to the chord. क्या कर रहा है ये? क्या कर रहा है हम लोग को? ऐसा segment जो कि join कर रहा है हमारे perpendiculars को. Perpendicular हो रहा है, ठीक है? Perpendicular to the chord. Then OMA is equals to 90 degree. OMA is equals to 90 degree just because ये perpendicular है. Okay. So OM is equals to 90 degree. As it is, we have to explain the lower part also. Okay. N is the midpoint of CD. N is the midpoint of CD. N is the midpoint of CD. Then segment ON is segment ON perpendicular to CD. ON perpendicular to CD. Okay, the reason is same as we write in first one. Then ONC is 90 degree. ONC, okay, ONC is 90 degree. So adding first and second, OMA and ONC, 90 plus 90, 180 degree. So that is NMA and MNC. Okay, NMA, N, M and A, then here MNC, MNC is 80 degree. Okay, then chord AB, just because of that chord AB is parallel to CD, interior angle test of parallel lines. This one is interior angles. Okay, which one? NMA. Okay, NMA and MNC. Just because of interior test segment AB and CD is parallel.